Hi class, and happy Wow Wednesday. Today for our science experiment, I have my son with me, scientist James. All right, and behind the camera is scientist Caitlin. She's gonna help out with the second part.
Hi guys.
Today we're gonna be making, get this, a volcano. So these are the items that you're going to need to make a volcano at home. You will need vinegar, dish soap. Now you do not need food coloring, but it makes it really exciting. You could choose any color. I chose red to make it look like the lava. You need an empty water bottle, some water, and a dish to mix with, and most importantly, you need to have baking soda, not powder, but soda. So today, when we make our volcano, we're gonna make something called a chemical reaction, and you're gonna see what occurs. So first things first, James, can you please hold the empty water bottle? We're going to fill this up with vinegar. Now you can see I'm not even measuring. I'm just pouring. And you could do this experiment multiple times and you could see, ooh, what happens if I add more or less vinegar? So let's just add a little bit more because I have a big bottle of vinegar here. So we have vinegar. Hold it, please. I'm going to add my dish soap.
Yeah.
You only need like 1 or 2 drops of your food coloring.
That was more than one.
Yeah. And to mix it, that's when I'm going to add my water. Alrighty. And James, I'm going to give it a little bit of a swirl in the circle, so that way we kind of mix up the colors. Good. Great. So now our body of the volcano is ready. But it doesn't look like a volcano. Nothing is exploding. In order to make it explode, we need to add stuff. We need to add some baking soda. So we're going to make something called a baking soda slurry. James, can you go ahead and pour some baking soda in there? Good. That's good. That's plenty. And now I'm going to put a little bit of water. And you need to add just enough water to where it's no longer a thick powder. So go ahead and mix it up now, James. Careful. Now you'll notice, thank you, James. You'll notice that it is all liquidy. It's all dissolved, but then when you stop, it tends to become thick again at the bottom. So you'll mix it, and then you'll mix it one last time before you pour it into here. All right, so I'm going to trade positions, and now scientist Caitlin is going to come and take over the rest of this. Okay, Caitlin, go ahead. You're going to do it too, Caitlin. All righty. So we're going to do this experiment outside because it could cause a mess, and we don't want that to be in your home. And Caitlin's going to go ahead. Hi, scientist Caitlin. She's going to mix up our slurry one more time, and she's getting ready to pour it into our volcano body and make a prediction of what you think is going to happen. Right now, we have 2 separate liquids going on. There's no chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is when you could take item 1, item 2, and they're still just the same. But by making a chemical reaction, it changes and creates something totally different. Go ahead, Caitlin.
Okay, you ready?
There we go.
3, 2, 1.
And as you can see, it is starting to erupt. All of that is the baking soda slurry mixing with the vinegar, and we've learned that that's acid, and it's creating carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide, what's that? Can you say carbon dioxide? Ready, go. Carbon dioxide. Yeah, carbon dioxide is the same stuff that you find in sodas. It's that bubbly, fizzy stuff inside the soda can. Now, what happens if you shake up a soda can or a soda bottle? Yeah, it fizzes. You open it up and it pours all out, kind of like what we just made here, the volcano. So what you did is you created a new substance called carbon dioxide. We did not buy it. We did not have it to start with. But when we mixed the vinegar with the baking soda, it created something brand new, carbon dioxide. And that, my friends, is your volcano. Something really fun that you could do at home is you could take your bottle and you could maybe wrap some tin foil around it to make it look more like a volcano, construction paper, even Play-Doh. So it really looks like the body of a volcano. You can even add more vinegar. Try it again a second time. Add more baking soda. See what happens. See what you could do to make your volcano the biggest one of all. And I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Again, you learned about chemical reactions. And what did you create at home? A volcano, and you created carbon dioxide. Thanks so much. Bye.